Hello friends, welcome to the Astrotech lab. Today's video introduces how to make a career in nanotechnology. If you are interested to make a career in nanotechnology as a nanotechnologist professionals, then there are so many opportunities in all over the world to make a career as a nanotechnology scientist. This is fast growing industries in the world. It works for the increment, the productions of the agriculture departments. It works for the information technology, electronics, home appliances, paper and packaging departments, astronomy, and so many fields are required a nano scientist or expert professionals. So let's see first what is nanotechnology, how it works. Dear friends, nanotechnology is a applied science in which 100 nanometers particles are used for the working. The particles used in nanotechnology known as nanomaterials. Nanotechnology used in information technology, telecommunication department, home appliances, electronics, food industries, textile industries, sport industries, automobile industries, security department, astronomy, cosmetics, and research and development departments. You can apply as a trainee scientist or trainee researchers to get the job in this field. So question arises that how to apply for this course, who can do the course of nanotechnology. So don't worry friends, to make a career in nanotechnology as a nano scientist, you have to do the bachelor degree with the subjects chemistry, math, physics and life science. These four subjects are very necessary in your bachelor degree. If you are doing the B.Sc, then you have to do the post-graduation degree in M.Sc with the masterization of nano science and technology. If you are doing the bachelor degree in engineering, then you have to admit yourself for the master M.Tech in nano science and technology. You need to get the 50% or above 50% marks to take admission in best top university of India for the master degree. Let's see which are the best university in India to do the master degree. Dear friends, there are topmost 4 universities. First one is Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. You can apply for the master degree, make a career as a nano scientist. The website of this university is www.jnu.ac.in. Second one university is IISc, situated in Bangalore. The site of this university is www.iisc.ac.in. You can apply here. The third one is NIT Kurukshetra University. Website of this university is www.nitkkr.ac.in. A fourth university which is situated in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Manit University. You can apply online at the website www.manit.ac.in. These 4 renowned university can give the best education and job opportunity in this sector. After finishing the degree course or post-graduation course or mastery, the question arises job opportunity. So don't worry, there are a lot of job opportunity as a scientist, but before applying for the job you need some job skills which is necessary to make a career in this area for a long period. So let's see which are skills necessary to get this job. First is analytical skill, second one is mathematical skill, third one is scientific temperament, and fourth one is research work. Now let's see the job opportunities area, get the best industry. There are so many industries. First one is pharmaceutical and nanomedicine, which is fast growing industry in medical sector. All information technology industries which are working on the nanotechnology. Third one is energy chemical departments. Fourth one is bioinformatics sectors. Next, stem cells development sectors, food and beverage sectors, genetics and forensic sciences, agriculture department, research and development industries, environmental science and industries. These are the most beautiful industries to make a career as a nano scientist in nanotechnology field. Now let's see what's the salary package you have. For the freshers, you can earn 3 to 4 lakh per annum. After getting some experience, you can got 6 to 12 lakh as a annual salary package. Dear friends, if you have any query regarding your career, you can contact us online. Our website is www.astrotechlab.com. We have has expertise in spiritual and technology services. He has a wide experience of 12 plus years in astrology, technology and online tutorials. Dear friends, if you like this video, subscribe and like us. Don't forget to click on the bell icon, notification of our next video. If you like this video and if you want to help your friends who are seeking for the nanotechnology field or who are interested to make his career in nanotechnology, then please share this video for the information of them. If you have any query, you can email us at astrotechlab@gmail.com. Thank you.